Buenas and welcome to Three Brothers a Roofing Company. So today's project it's about residential slate roof. So on this slate roof we have two Skylight, and they are in really bad condition. So they are acrylic, and so what we're gonna do today, we will reseal because the owner didn't want to replace it. So no problem, we provide solution. So that's what we do. We're gonna remove the old caulking, and then we will apply new caulking. And of course we have couple tiles we have to replace because based of homeowner, this Skylight is the one is leaking. No problem. Three Brothers Roofing, the solution. Okay, and we reseal around the Skylight. In the meantime, we are replacing a couple slate tiles on the this section of the roof. So there is one tile, it's missing. So no problem, we have our new tile and they will fit perfect. Okay, and so let's see. So this is what we did it around this Skylight. We remove the old caulking, and then we add new caulking between the acrylic and the frame, and between the slate and the frame we apply the flashing cement with the fiberglass membrane, and we replace one tile on this section, and we went around. In the meantime, we reseal the lower Skylight too. Yeah, so we provide solution since the owner doesn't want, they're not ready to replace the Skylight. Not a problem. So we reseal it, and with the reseal will be no more leaking, guarantee. So yeah, Three Brothers Roofing experience and solution for homeowners and the business owner, 100%, no question. Okay, so those Skylight been resealed, the upper and the lower, and we use caulking between the glass, the acrylic and the frame, and we use flashing cement on the base. Okay, that's it for today. See you guys next time. Chop chop.